Remember this. He turned the sea into dry land. Do you remember this story? A long time ago, the people of God were facing a very big problem, a very big wall they need to cross, and they have no way to cross it. No, kung hindi kumilos ang Panginoon, if God did not do something, it is impossible for man. It is impossible for them to face that problem, to go through that problem. But do you remember anong ginawa ng Panginoon? He turned the sea into dry land. Now, if you take a look at our lives, maraming beses nangyari sa buhay natin. We are in the face of a very big trouble, very big challenge that is impossible for us to cross. Right? The sea of problems, the sea of challenges. But what has God done? Do you remember? Anong ginawa ng Panginoon sa mga problema niyo? Sa challenges niyo? Diba? He turned the sea into dry land. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon. That's why we are here, right? Because the Lord turned our sea of problems, our sea of sorrows into dry land. So that we are able to go through on foot.